Hello friend, in this video I want to fix this ugly UI on iOS. Okay, let's take a break of our multi-peer connectivity. So you see here on the Mac OS, right? Oh yeah, it's so flexible, right? And here on the iOS, right, there's a button cut, and I guess it will be disaster if we run that in a different simulator. Let's try it. Okay, so here is the Mac. Okay, stop it, and the command W to close this window only. This copy of Xcode. Okay, command W. Don't use command Q. Command Q will quit both this and that. So we only want to quit this one because we want to focus on conn4 iOS only in this video. Oh, sorry about that. Command W just this is a new behavior in the latest version of Xcode. So before we can use command W to close that, but now it just closed a tab here. Let me try it again. Oh, so after the last tab, right? Like this is the tab here. No, there's only one. Yeah, here is one, and maybe there's another one. After the last one is closed by W. So if you keep pressing W, command W, you eventually will close the Xcode window. This one, yeah, close it. Okay, so now let's try to run it in a different simulator. Let's use this, the smallest one. I think SE means a small addition. Okay, run it. Yeah, you see, terrible. We can highlight this one, command W to close it. Okay, so let's fix this guy. Now we are the only citizen in this Xcode world, so we can use the full height and width here. What about here? Oh, we still can. Yeah, okay, cool. Now where is it? Is board view, right? We use all the hard-coded stuff here. That's why temp code. Okay, don't worry about that. Insert draw circle, draw board, draw pieces, draw circle add. Okay, so let's try to make it flexible. Draw circles. So here column and row. Okay, so it means we need to, this is hard-coded, this is hard-coded. Let's calculate cellSide, right? Cellside, let's draw a grid. Okay, so cellSide, wait a minute, let's double check the aspect ratio of this guy. Is it like 7 to, I think it is 7 to 6. Yeah, here, right? 7 to 6. Okay, that's fine. So go back. So now we'll divide it, the blue view, into 7 columns. Okay, so it means cellSide equals bounds dot width divided by 7, right? Now the compiler will complain because this guy is let. It means constant var Yeah, we'll do it. So this one is not important now, since we'll let's use a invalid value here. So now if we run it again, we can see the difference. Oh, okay. So radius, right? Radius we where is it used? So highlight, Command E, Command G to search. Oh, it's only used here. So it means we don't need to put this guy as the global one. The less the global variable, the better, okay? To be a good programmer. So how do we calculate that? We use cellSide times 0.4, right? So if it's half, let's try half. Half, then it means everyone will touch each other. So if we use 0.4, we can have some, yeah, you see, everyone is touching each other. It means the diameter is same as cellSide, right? So make it a little bit smaller to have some room to breathe. Yeah. Now, what about this one? I think we don't even need to calculate that. Hopefully, I'm correct on it. We use the full blue view, so it has to be 0. Oh, I know why. Because we defined origin X and origin Y to be the, yeah, the center of the first, the top left circle. So yeah, let's change it to variable and use an invalid value here. Actually, it's not invalid, it's just off the screen. And now after that, after we figure out the cellSide, we know it'll be half of the origin X will be so we want to push it to the right by half of the cellSide, right? So 0.5 times the cellSide, and the same thing for Y, half times the cellSide. Is that okay? Yes. Now let's try it on the big simulator. This guy. Command R. Yeah, it fixed, right? Okay. Now let's clean up here, and that's good. So we can make a commit. Git status, yeah. So git commit -a fixed game board, okay. Fixed game board on board view. Fix the game board on board view. Or made game board flexible on different screen iOS screen sizes, like that. Status clean git push. Yeah, this is our, yeah, we fixed the UI issue, right, of the conn4-iOS project. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next